Hi everybody, it's 12:53 and 23 seconds on April 20th. This is the drawing for the Golden Age Atlas pre-code, pre-hero horror, Journey into Mystery number, I have it listed as 16, I apologize. My eyes are playing tricks on me. It is Journey into Mystery 19. So, there are the 16 filled spots. As I mentioned earlier, I'm a little under the weather, so I think my eyes are playing tricks on me. I just happened to look at the cover and saw that I had the 6 upside down. So let's roll our 3 dice. Big number, 16. And away we go. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It is going to go out on Monday, which I believe is the 23rd. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this is the final one. 16, spot 8, Rusty Shuck. Congratulations. Time is 12:54 and 43 seconds.